If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hi folks, Larry here, and welcome to Larry's Fountain Pens. This time it's going to be an upcoming Zoom that's going to be this Saturday, which is going to make it February, 18th, I believe.
Phone's not letting me get in. Yes, February 18th.
At 6 p.m.
Central.
And my special guest is going to be Matthew LaPlante, a young man starting into the fountain pen world that I met a while back. And he was a lot smaller than he is now. He's shot up. But he has still kept his interest in fountain pens. So I thought, who else would be better than to bring this young man on Zoom and let him speak his piece on his take on fountain pens. So you want to join me this Saturday, 6 p.m. Central Time, on my Zoom Pen Hangout and meet up with Matthew LaPlante. Peace. Number 2, don't forget Saturday, we have the online pen club called the
Fountain Pendulum.
And it's going to start at 10 a.m. Central Time. And I think we're going to be talking about pens. Do you remember?
Letter writing.
Letter writing, okay. We're going to do letter writing. So everyone's welcome. You don't have to be a member. But you want to do a little writing sample of something, you can give your input on writing a letter. All are welcome. So we will see you popping and hopping, smiling from ear to ear, loving them pens, whoever you buy them from. And when I said, I'm done, peace and love to all. Don't text and drive, baby. It's only rock and roll. And I like it.